This is the platform upon which we'll be mounting the impact chamber array, as well as the rotary expander and genset. Down here is the feed water tank with a heating source. Obviously, it's important that we have water that's probably about 90 degrees centigrade. On your left here is a control panel. These are PID controllers. We have the temperature controllers for the individual impact chambers, and we have a temperature controller for the water.
The spares are used because we have more cylinders.
Yeah, actually, well, we have spares here because we perhaps, we'll be adding additional cylinders depending on the demand for steam. Underneath here, you can see the wiring that we've already completed. So you can see this. Over here, underneath here, is the various electrical connections.
And the water pump will be sitting.
Yeah, now right in here that we'll have the water pump, which is a fresh water pump for the feed water, which is capable of pumping high temperature water.
Show them the breaker.
Yeah, and then down below here are the breaker assemblies for the various components and the interconnection to the lines. All right, to our right.
And then we have here.
Well, these are breaker boxes, circuit protection. Here to our right, we have the hydraulic accumulator here, which is pressurized to about 3,000 psi and provides the hydraulic oil for the hydraulic injectors. Down below here, you'll see the feed pump that pressurizes the hydraulic oil, and this is the return reservoir where the oil coming from the injectors returns. We'll have an additional reservoir here where probably a 10-gallon reservoir, which will provide the hydraulic oil that runs the entire system. So is there anything else you think of, Rich? I think that pretty much covers it.
That pretty much covers everything that.
Yeah. Now, what you'll see next is a video where I go over the electronic controls. We have to use what's known as an injector driver module for this to drive the hydraulic injectors, and we'll have a computer that controls the timing and also the sensing the position of the rotary expander, so that we know exactly when to inject the explosions and the steam. All right.